We don't want to just live longer, we want to live better. Hi, I'm Chanelle Jepson, Senior VP of Product Development with Xyngular. I am a nutraceutical biochemist and functional formulator. I have really built my career on one main principle, and that is that wellness begins at the cells. When you target the cells, you target the whole. Aging isn't just about time, it's about fixing these cellular issues, but then also your mitochondrial energy. So we want to target at the cellular level and at the mitochondria, and that is why I am so excited to be launching Genesis Capsules to you all, because this is one of our longevity supplements, because it's not just about the years in your life, it's about the life in your years. The human body contains over 37 trillion cells, and they're all moving and shaking and trying to do different things like digestion, muscle building, brain health. All of these different functions are happening all the time with these 37 trillion cells. But one of the things that happens as we age, or with different lifestyle factors like pollution, smoking, toxic food, things like that, it is going to cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress, I like to think of it kind of if you are driving down the road, right? You're driving down the road and one of your tires pops. Think of that as oxidative stress or oxidative damage. So it pops the tire and your car is gonna, right? And it's gonna go a little crazy. So say you're going down the road and it's gonna bump another car and it damages that car. And then that car damages another car. And it's this domino effect of damaged cells. That is what I like to think of as oxidative damage. And then we have mitochondrial energy decreases. So think of the mitochondria, it's the center, it's the energy of the cells. And as we age, that's going to tend to get slower, which means other things are going to get slower, like our brain processing and our digestion and our metabolism. So there's two main things that are happening: cellular damage and then your mitochondria inefficiencies. Genesis was formulated with bioactive compounds to really target some main things. So going back to my car analogy, right? So you have oxidative damage, which is the tire popping. You think of all of these impactful antioxidants as kind of a spare tire. So think of when you are taking your Genesis capsules, it's repairing the cars. So each cell is helping to balance that. It's neutralizing that free radical damage. And what that is going to do is that is going to have everything running a lot more efficiently to work for your metabolism, to work for your brain, and all of those different components that your cells, all of that work that they're doing. Within Genesis capsules, you have this really impactful antioxidant blend, but I'm gonna pull out just a few key ingredients to help you understand how this complex is going to be beneficial for you. First, you have things like cantaloupe extract and resveratrol. These are going to activate your longevity genes. These are going to help neutralize free radicals by providing these robust antioxidants. You also have polyphenols. Polyphenols are prebiotics. They're also going to help with your antioxidant support. Those, I like to think of, some of these polyphenols are going to be things like pomegranate. This is also going to help not only your cells and your mitochondria, but also your microbiome. So really supportive in supporting your immune system, your cellular energy, your mitochondrial functions. Next, we have our botanical herb complex. This is going to have things in it like oliver leaf. This is going to have juniper berry. It's going to have barley grass, right? These are these phenolic acids, these terpenes, these sulfur compounds. These are going to help support metabolic pathways. These are going to help with making a robust immune system. And this is also going to help with a healthy inflammatory response. And then on top of that, we have Deltasorb, which is this bioperine. It's a pepper extract that is going to help all of this absorb more efficiently. So in the end, you have these amazing antioxidants, these polyphenols, these different acids, these terpenes, these sulfur compounds, and Deltasorb all together to really support a robust immune system, cellular rejuvenation and energy, metabolic pathways, just helping your body run more efficiently. Because the name of the game is we want not just more years in our life, but more life in our years. And that is why you want to take at least one capsule every day of Genesis Capsules. It's a great on-the-go option, and it's really just going to help with your immune system. Like I said, your cellular energy, your metabolism. It has so many incredible functions in order to help you perform at your best and live life at your best. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy your event. I wish I was there celebrating with you. You guys are incredible.